So my good sis, this is your girl Kiamani coming back to you looking like someone's brother. And we are back with a wig review. So today we are doing a review for ISEE Princess. That's so cute. Oh hey, it says, oh hey my princess, welcome to the ISEE Beauty Club. That's cute. So this wig is actually from ISEE Hair, ISEE Hair, and we have a 24-inch body weight unit. I see this girl so many times in like these companies' packages. This needs to be my face. Y'all need to start putting me on the cover of y'all stuff. This is me, you know what I'm saying? But she's so cute. I actually occasionally do watch her videos. But yeah, so I guess this is what they call their princess series from ISEE Hair. That is so cute. And this is all their socials. What's up, dude? What's up, girl? I really like this box that it came in. It says, to be honest, you are the most beautiful princess. That is so cute. Stop making me feel good. And then, yeah, this is a really cute box. I kind of don't even want to throw it away. And then it came with these cute little lashes. And these are actually some lashes I would wear, because sometimes I get lashes and I'm just like, thank you for the effort, but I'm never going to wear those. But those I am going to wear. So this unit is a 24-inch body wig, 150% density, and I think she is a 13x6 lace wig. We love that. So I'm going to try her on. And I can already tell from the lace that this actually looks like, I'm not entirely sure, but this does look like Swiss lace. Swiss lace, in my opinion, is like a very like top of the line kind of lace. It's real soft and it melts in with your skin super good, and it's real flexible and comfortable to wear, it says. So that's what she looks like in my opinion. I'm not sure if this is actual Swiss lace or not, but whatever this is some really nice lace. I am going to say it is a little light, but I do have lace tinting spray, so if it is too, oh, this is soft. If it is too light, then I'm gonna tint it with some spray. So can we just talk about this wig? Can we just, matter of fact, let's not talk about her. Let's admire sis just for 2 seconds. (13x6) parting space, straight down the middle. Oh, okay. Body wave unit. Oh yeah, 24 inches. And 150% density. Yeah, that's right. So I'm in love with this like texture, and what I'm going to do is I really like how it looks like this, and personally at the moment I don't know how to recreate this actual look, so I'm going to do my best to keep these waves in the wig. I don't want to run my fingers through it or nothing. So I put the part in it straight down the middle. I love me a juicy middle part. And I'm going to cut the lace, and we're going to be on about our business. So I'm probably gonna flatten her out a little bit more in the roots, but I'm just gonna try to not do so much to the pattern because she's God sent basically. So cheers to that.